We're given this function y is equal to 1/8 x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 8, and we're asked to find the x-intercept. So x-intercept is where the function intersects the x-axis, and that's where y is 0. So we have to set this to 0 and find the corresponding value of x. So add 8 to both sides, multiply by 8, 64. So x is 64 to the power of 2/3. Again, 64 is a common one. You know, that's 4 cubed. So I can write this as 3 times 2/3 because we can multiply the exponents. This is 4 squared, which is 16. So the x-intercept is 16. Answer choice D.